Welcome back to the truck. Today let's see what we can talk about in this truck. We probably gonna talk about what happened to this truck, the hood is cracked and stuff. This I showed on last day this truck is done for it. I showed it that crack in the windows yesterday. This is here, but what happened to this truck is it got wrecked out there from the Yankees, from Cooper Store Road. It happened. Somebody pulled out in front of this truck and they hit it, and all the oil leaked out on the road. So this truck is done. Well, the airbags came out, but this truck it is done for it, cause it ain't. But Mia, wow, the Mia looks pretty cool. Look. No, we can't turn it like I thought. I thought that Mia could turn, but maybe we can't. Anyway, we've still got all the stuff in the back. Got this bumper from the front of the truck. We got a light up there where you can see through the back. This side. Here's that bent right here. Hit the gas thing. Let's open this up and see what we get. Oh, the gas thing. Let me screw this out. Well, I can't screw it out. So, but this is our truck. Let's open this door. See, it opened. See what we got? I can't see it. We got the spider webs in here, but this truck is been torn up in that. So, but the back looks pretty good. We've got the junk and trash down there, but the steering wheel will return. We've got some stuff up there which looks cool, but it's bad. Anyway, this is the truck for today, and the truck won't be too bad this week. It won't be back until next week or sometime, cause I go with my mama today. Or not, so this will be back. So the truck will be back soon. It won't be over here tomorrow. But we'll be back. That's alright. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you for watching this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.